guys, it's Mary Ellen. This is such an exciting video because the Happy Planners sent me their new Be Happy box early. And I was so psyched to open this because I do know a little bit about what's inside. I have not seen it yet. I opened it and like quickly looked at it, but I didn't really like flip through anything. So I'm super excited to show this to you guys because this is one that I think people are gonna lose their minds over because it's so neutral, you guys. And I know we love neutral. Pretty much all of us love neutral stuff that we can use in all of our bright color spreads and fun. But so this is a bloom box, flowers, right? And look at this. Ah. So like I said, I already peeked at it. Do you notice something about this? It's black and white, you guys. It's black and white. The little bloom box. Happy things inside. We have a sticker storage box. We have 2 packs of stickers, a tiny sticker pad, and black metal discs. Black metal discs, you guys. People have been wanting those forever, and now we have them, which is so cool. So I'm gonna open this up. Here are the discs. Really, you know what, I'll just show them to you. I wanted to show you because they are so cute. Look at that, so cute. All right, so let's pull out the stickers because I think that's what we're all most excited for anyway. So first I'll flip through this tiny sticker pad. Let me just open this up. These are so hard to open sometimes on the side. Like I said, I think there's a lot of you, including myself, who are gonna be very, very excited about this because you can use black and white in any spread. You can do a full black and white spread, or you can like use it in anything at all. By the way, if the lighting's different and the setup's different, it's because I'm at my boyfriend's house and I forgot my filming equipment. So we like rigged up something for my camera and I'm in his sunroom. Like it's all makeshift, so I'm doing my best. Okay, so let's just flip through this little tiny sticker pad because it's black and white florals, which we love. Here's some gold foiling. Grow where you are planted. Anyway, black and white stuff is awesome because it matches everything, right? And I know there's a lot of you who love black and white spreads too. I'm not a huge fan of simply black and white spreads, but I do like the look of, wow, look at that sticker. That's so pretty. That's one big sticker, I think. I do like the look of them occasionally. I just don't do them very often because I like colors so much, but I can add these to any spread because I'm always looking for black and white stuff. And you know, I love black boxes and I love black combined with color of any kind because it makes the colors pop like crazy. So there's your tiny sticker pad. And now I'm gonna do a flip through of the sticker books. We've got 2. We have 2 sticker books in a Be Happy box. That's unheard of. Well, I guess in the big bloom box there was 2, but these are, I've never seen, like at least when we got the bloom box, we had already seen one of those sticker books, but we've never seen either one of these sticker books. Okay, so the first sticker book we have here is functional black and white stickers. I think this is what we've all been waiting for, right? All right, so right off the bat, we have black boxes, which you know I'm a huge fan of. Like, you know I love black boxes. If you watch my channel, I use them all the time. So this is making my soul very happy. Next, we have some to do today checklists, which are so important, and also these cute little smiley faces, which you can use in any spread because they're neutral. I'm always looking for like mood stickers that are not like the yellow emojis, you know what I mean? So this is really cool. Love this size of black boxes, and we have some check marks there. You guys, this is gonna sell out so fast. I know it, because this is something that everybody seems to have been looking for. So here we have the monthly boxes. And again, you can cover up these corners. If you don't want to use it in your monthly layout, you can use it in your weekly layout and cover up the corners, or you can butt these right up next to, like, say you have like a box sticker and you want to put it right there. It's going to look like it goes underneath. More of these without the gold foil. Oh, this is paper. Yeah, this is on paper, more paper. And then we have some circles and these long ones, these long headers, which are pretty useful. More circles. And here's the curved ones, and you can cut these up to be whatever you want them to be. If you want to like cut this off, you can butt this up next to like a line, or cover this part up if you don't like the curve. You can always do all sorts of things with your stickers. So we have hearts, so very functional, colorful shapes. Not colorful though, black and white, which is awesome. Here we have some little box stickers, notes, get it done. And some of these headers over here, which are really useful. I use these a lot just to add a little bit of black into my spread when I want to. And you know, these are my favorite. I use these in my sidebar all the time. Love these. Look at all these done. I should use those. I don't know if they have these anywhere else, but I kind of like that. So these today stickers, you can, I've said this many times, you can cut off the today part and then you could just have a regular black box sticker if you want to, or you can leave that on. So it's kind of, you know, versatile. And down here, same deal. If you don't want it to say important, just cut that part off and then you have a skinny box sticker. I love this size. This is good in the mini happy planner, but also I use these in any spread. I like to use them for gratitude sometimes, or other lists. You can also turn them vertically and use them that way. Hexagons. We've got some gold foiling in here, still on paper though. More hexagons. Look at these. These are so cute with the little polka dots. And this one, I'm gonna definitely be able to use that. I love polka dots so much. And I love black and white polka dots, so this is perfect. So these ones, I don't like the arch very much. I know a lot of you do, and it really is just a matter of personal preference. But what I do if I don't want to use the arch, and I have used them sometimes, but I don't usually, is just cut this part off. And again, you can butt it up to something else. You can cover it up, or what you can do if you cut this off is you can take a Sharpie and a ruler and just draw a line across, and no one's gonna know, probably not even you when you look at it, that you've done that. It's really easy to do. And so I'll probably be doing that to give myself some more black boxes. More of these long ones, so happy about that. I'm probably gonna need to like another one of these boxes so I can get more of these because I love those. And look at the sticker. That is beautiful. That's a gorgeous sticker. And this size is so functional for me. I use this size a lot for gratitude and for other stuff, like if I need like a list or something, I'll put those in. Here's more of these that you can cut off or leave on. And then we have some clear stickers on the clear sticker paper, and look, some black smiley faces with gold foiling. And these are the ones that have the points on the bottom. Again, you can cut those off and make it into a regular box if you want, or you can leave those on. More of this size, perfect. This would be good for my gratitude list, living my best life. Some functional icons over here. And then we have some icons, shop and meal prep and dinner. And I like these because they're a little bit bigger like than the regular icons we usually see, which I like, especially when I'm using the big happy planner. Here's some more that are bigger, laundry, chore day. And you're gonna be able to use these in any spread and not have it be like clashing with the colors and not have to search for the color that you want. That's what I like about this. You can put them in any spread and it's gonna match. We've seen this font before, to do today, appointment and busy. And then we have it in gold. Well, this one was on clear sticker paper. Now we have it on just regular paper, and that's the gold foiling. These are on regular paper as well. Some gold foil monthly boxes, but again, you can cover this up and it'll just look like a regular box. Now we're getting into some a little bit decorative, but still extremely functional. Love this. Like I said, polka dots are my jam, and stripes. So I'm gonna be using those for sure. And I'll probably be using those like to, say I want like a regular box sticker like this, I'll probably layer it like this so that it's on top of this. You can also cut these, like if you want, like say like a washi strip look, you can cut these into sections and use them for whatever you want. I do that a lot. Then on some clear sticker paper here, we have gold foil circle icon stickers. And then these little guys here. And I love the black matte ones. I think they're so cool. So I love this so much. This is kind of something that we've been looking for a while. So super psyched about this one. Let's do the second book. Florals, florals. Gold foil on paper, and then clear ones. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. I love adding black florals to colorful spreads. Okay, we have more of the monthly things. Some decorative boxes, lots of florals in this one compared to the other one. I feel like the other one actually probably wasn't any florals. Yeah, this was like purely functional, which I love. Almost purely functional. And this one's like all the florals. There's some gold, this is on paper. Paper also, lots of gold florals here. Black and whites. Oh my gosh, so pretty. You can cut this one into like a rectangle and use it as like a washi strip on your page, like a cup. You could cut this in half and use both. That would be cool. Look at that, kindness is magic. So pretty. And then we have gold foil to do today, plan. Box stickers with flowers, my fave. You have some more gold. You know I'm not like a huge gold fan, but I could see creating a spread with these because I do use them sometimes. More of these, which are my fave. I love like individual black and white flower stickers. And we have some to-do list stickers, very functional. And some of these with the flowers on top, really, really cute. You can also, so this is one of those arch stickers, you could also cut the top and use like this part for just lines, and you can use this part separate to like put on top of something else, like on top of just one of the lines on the page or on a box. You can sort of move that around if you want. This is on clear sticker paper, just a bunch of gold quotes. Look at these. So pretty, and you know I love these washi strips. Really pretty. I can see putting my gratitude there. And these are full sticker books, you guys, like 2 full sticker books, which is awesome. So here we have little like graph paper ones and lines with headers of flowers. Again, you can always trim these and use them for what you want. Bumble's gonna start, she's trying to get inside. And then we have just, this is on clear sticker paper with florals here, so pretty. Love, noted, focus. And then we have the monthly boxes again. These are beautiful. Appointment, day off, due today. Hold on, let me let the dog in. Just a second. Bumble. Mike has a fenced-in yard and she likes to go out there, but here, come here. Come here. Come here. Bumble, come here, baby. Oh, hi. Look. Say hello. Bumble matches this Be Happy box, don't you? You're black and white, and so is the Be Happy box. Yay. All right. She's like, Mama, what are you doing? Kindness is magic. So these are layered boxes. So pretty. I'm going to be using these two books so much. I can't even tell you how much I'm going to be using these books. Circles. These are all on paper. Look at these. I'll use these like in a flash because I love those kind of boxes. And two more. All right. And this is all on paper. We have some florals. I love these books. I can't get over these sticker books. Perfecto. Okay. And excuse Bumble's barking in the background, but she's annoying. And then here we have, excuse me, I don't know what happened. Not sure what's happening to my voice here. But here we have a storage sticker box. We don't need that. These are so easy to put together. And I love these. And actually, I'm really happy to have another because and you put it like this. I'm not going to do it right now, but there's like these sticky things and you pull the paper off and you stick it up here. The great thing about this, and this is what I have one of these already, and what I use it for is my mega sticker books, because I put all my other sticker books on a Hudson card I got from Michael's, but I started putting the mega sticker packs in one of these and they fit perfectly. You can fit 2 here, so you can fit 6 on this whole thing. And I also have one for my colorful boxes books that I keep right by my desk, because like then I can reach for my colorful boxes. I always know where all of them are, like the monthly ones, the colorful shapes, all. I have it like, and I just did that a couple weeks ago and it's helped so much. So this is a really good thing to have, and it's black and white, which is really gonna match anything in your house. You know what I mean? It's gonna match anything you have. So that's good. Like, I don't really like the, I guess I just do that. I don't really like the ones that are, you know, like brightly colored. And is there ones? Yeah, I guess there are ones that are brightly colored. I don't like them as much for me because I love having like neutral stuff in my room and then have like a pop of color in other stuff. So anyway, I think this box is pretty freaking awesome. And like I said, I think it's gonna sell out really, really quickly. Okay, this is being released on July 23rd, which is Thursday. I don't know yet if there's gonna be a code or anything. When this comes out, the Happy Planner will have already talked about it. So I'll put all the stuff that you need to know about it in the description box so that you have it ready to go. And if you wouldn't mind using my link, my affiliate link to purchase it, I would really, really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, but I do get a very small percentage when you purchase. So that would help me out a great deal. And I will put that link in the description box as well. So all the stuff will be down there. And I guess that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box. I am super psyched, and I hope you are too. I might even buy another one. I don't know. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye.